A challenge to one of Utah's new immigration laws went before a federal judge today. The Department of Justice and other groups are suing the state over a law that requires police to ask people's immigration status while making traffic stops. Fox 13's Ben Winslow just got back from court, joins us in studio. Ben.
Members of Utah's Latino community say this law has wide-reaching impact and smacks of racial profiling. They're hoping a judge overturns HB497, which has been criticized as being a kinder, gentler version of an immigration law that was passed in Arizona.
I fear what might happen to families and my own family if HB497 is allowed to go into effect.
Dozens of protesters gathered outside the courthouse as lawyers argued over HB 497. It requires local police officers to verify someone's immigration status while investigating a potential criminal violation. The law, which passed the legislature last year, has been on hold ever since the Justice Department, the ACLU, and other groups sued, claiming the state is stepping on federal immigration duties.
Utah's unconstitutional attempt to regulate immigration, to tear families apart, and to bring suspicion to individuals based nothing more on what they look like or what they sound like.
Critics of the law say it leads to racial profiling and could hurt efforts by police to stop crimes by preventing people from reporting them if they're here illegally. Salt Lake City's police chief opposes HB 497. Lawyers for the state of Utah say the law is different than a similar one in Arizona.
One of the predicates for HB 497 is that there has to be a lawful stop, detention, or arrest. So before a police officer can even ask anyone about their immigration status, there has to be a lawful stop.
Now, right now, a temporary restraining order is in effect, stopping this law from being used in Utah. The U.S. Supreme Court is scheduled to hear arguments about Arizona's immigration law this April. The judge today told lawyers he may keep this restraining order in effect and just let the Supreme Court decide it all. Look for a decision within the next few days. Live in studio, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.